Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to open a zip file dataset in Kaggle. As an example, I'll use the dogs versus cats dataset. As you can see, both the train and test data are in zip files. Let's create a new notebook and open the files. First, import the zip file library. Then, create a variable for the path to the zip file. You can copy the file path by clicking the folder icon in the input section on the sidebar. Next, we create a variable for the target directory. This is the directory where we will extract the zip file. Now we are ready. Using zipfile.zipfile, we can extract the zip file. Just provide the zip file path and the target directory. Once extracted, you will see a new folder under the output section. In this case, the new folder name is train. Now, let's check the contents of the train folder. I'm using the OS library to list all the file names. Then, I print the length of the file names or the total files. And here, I print the first 5 file names. To open these files, we need to create a full file path. Again, we use the OS library with the folder path and file names. Let's print the total number of file paths and preview the first 5 paths. Using this path, we can open each file. For example, here I'm using the pill library to open one image file. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.